Hello, kindergarten. We're going to be talking today more about hexagons, those sides with 6 sides, those shapes with 6 sides and 6 vertices. We're going to start out with a hexagon song to help you kind of remember all about a hexagon. Today, it looks like this. It has 9.10 at the top. Describing hexagons. We're talking about the different attributes a hexagon has and how we would describe it. Give you a minute to get this out and get your name on the top. Now we're going to talk about this hexagon together. We've got a big yellow hexagon here. Let's use our finger to trace around the outside of the hexagon. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides on that hexagon. Let's look at the vertices. This little blue worm was resting on a side, but this orange worm is resting around a vertex, one of the vertices. So let's touch and count those. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. If you've noticed on all of our two-dimensional shapes, their number of sides and vertices is the same. If a shape has 3 sides, it's going to have 3 vertices. This hexagon has 6 sides, so it's going to have 6 vertices. This worm is pointing to one vertex on the hexagon. I want you to draw an arrow to one of the other vertices. Draw an arrow and point to another vertex on the hexagon. And then take your pencil and let's trace the lines of the hexagon. Let's trace around the outside of the hexagon with our pencil. Trace each of the 6 sides. Alright, when you get that done, you can open it to the inside. A little more practice. Now we've got a purple hexagon. And it wants to know how many vertices and how many sides a hexagon has. So first let's circle each vertex. We're just going to draw a line around the point, or draw a circle around the point. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. So we're going to write a 6 right here. We're going to make a loop and then a hoop. Let's count the sides of the hexagon. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to write another 6 down here where it says sides. A hoop, a loop, and then a hoop. So a hexagon has 6 vertices and 6 sides. We're going to do kind of like we did the other day with our rectangle. I want you to practice drawing a hexagon with 6 sides for me here. I want you to see if you can make a small, medium, and large hexagon here and color it. And then on the back, I want you to draw me a shape with 6 sides and 6 vertices and color it. What shape has 6 sides and 6 vertices? Draw one and color it. Tomorrow we're going to talk a little bit about all of our shapes and compare them. And then we're going to take our test over our shapes on Friday. Talk to you later.